and welcome back to the channel, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now you're probably watching this video because either you already have an S24 Ultra and you're looking for accessories to buy, or you're in the market for an S24 Ultra and want to see what some of the accessories that you should consider buying. Now these are my curated items and items that I bought personally. So starting off with the first item, which is the ESR MagSafe kickstand case. Now I would say go out and buy the official Samsung case just because it's a first party case, but this is the one to get, especially if you have the titanium gray color. And as someone who enjoys having MagSafe on all my phones for charging, since I have so many docks or MagSafe chargers all around the house, I wanted to have that MagSafe experience for the S24 Ultra. And ESR, I think, makes the best cases for the S24 Ultra, at least right now. And while there are hundreds of other cases that look similar to this or have similar designs, I found that the magnet that they use in this case is a lot stronger than other cases that I've tried. So trying to use this on a MagSafe dock or add MagSafe accessories to the back of the phone, it holds up really well. Plus, the magnets don't really seem to interfere with the S Pen. So compared to other cases that have MagSafe on the back, when you start using the S Pen, you'll sort of have dead spots all around the screen. But this one doesn't have that problem. And the fact that it has a kickstand, which means I can prop it up vertically or horizontally, overall, it's a pretty awesome case. Now, this next one you guys usually see on this channel a lot, and it's Dbrand, but this one I'll make it quick since it's one particular skin that I wanted to feature, and it's their Sunrise Orange skin, which if you go on Samsung's website right now, one of their limited edition color for Samsung.com is a titanium orange color, which looks very, very similar to Sunrise Orange skin from Dbrand. And if you happen to get the titanium gray color and missed out on that exclusive color, or you just don't want to wait, just slap a Dbrand skin on the back of the phone and boom, you kind of get the Samsung online exclusive color. And the best part is any of Dbrand skins looks great with this case that I just mentioned earlier, which adds a little bit of that customization while having extra protection from the case. And I'll make sure to leave links down below that like button so you guys have an easier time picking up the accessories that I talk about in this video. Now next up is a pretty sweet accessory bundle that I got recently, and with all the really cool photo and video features that the S24 Ultra has, Lume Cube sent me their Creator Kit 2.0, which is perfect for those looking for an all-in-one creator focus kit for the S24 Ultra. This is perfect if you want to jumpstart your TikTok page or you want to make better YouTube videos. This kit comes with a mobile tripod that extends up to 55 inches, a Bluetooth remote so you can hit record on the fly, a super compact LED light that gets really bright and it's bicolor, so you have that flexibility to match the ambient lighting around you. And it also comes with a shotgun mic with a shock mount built in and a windscreen. This mic plugs directly to the USB-C port, so it's literally plug and play, and of course a travel bag that's quite compact, so you can travel with this no problem. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the only gear that you need to kickstart your YouTube channel or your TikTok page. And huge shout out to Lume Cube for sponsoring a portion of this video. All right, so most phones nowadays pack huge batteries inside, and even though the S24 Ultra has pretty good battery life, there are days where sometimes we just need that extra juice to get a few extra hours at night, especially when when we're playing a little too much games or have the brightness on the phone way too high while watching videos. Well, this Anker nano power bank is probably going to be your best friend soon. This tiny power bank packs a 5,000 milliamp hour battery inside and has a built-in USB-C that retracts to its body when you're not using it. And it can fast charge the S24 Ultra up to 22 watts. And I use this thing a ton when I travel, and it doesn't take up too much space in my bag and doesn't weigh as heavy as most portable power banks. The only downside here with this is that it's not really capable of fully charging your phone. So with the S24 Ultra, for example, you can expect to charge the phone about 55%, which is definitely more than enough if I need that extra juice just to get a few extra hours. Now, if you bought the S24 Ultra and let's say you only got 256 gigs and later down the road you need a little bit more storage space, or you often use your S24 Ultra for Samsung DeX and you like to transfer files from your phone to your desktop PC or laptop at home, this is going to make it so much easier for you guys to do that. If you need the best of the best storage for this phone or the best external SSD in general, this is it. This is the Samsung T9 and it goes up to 4 terabytes, which is what I have. And yeah, I'm never going to run out of space on this phone. Now, let's say you need something a little bit more low-key than an external SSD, but need to transfer files on the go. Well, Samsung actually makes the best tiny USB-C flash drive in the game. I mean, look at how tiny this thing is. This thing is a 256 gig flash drive with up to 400 megabytes a second read and write speed. Now, while this is a lot slower than the Samsung T9, this just comes in clutch for times where you need to transfer smaller files back and forth from your phone to your computer. And the best part is this will not take up any space in your bag or your pocket because of just how small it is. Check this out if you want a little bit more storage space for your S24 Ultra. And at the time of making this video, this thing is only $25. Now, this and the next item, in my opinion, is pretty critical nowadays. This is an expensive phone, and you want to make sure that this phone is in mint condition. The front display of the phone is quite prone to scratches, so what you should do right away is pick up a screen protector. They're fairly affordable, hovering around $15 to $20, and it comes with 2 glass screen protectors and an installer, so it's pretty much perfect all the time. But yeah, this is just your basic screen protector. It's clear, it has an oleophobic coating on it, so fingerprints won't show up as much. However, I will say after installing this, you'll kind of lose out on that new anti-glare coating from the S24 Ultra's display, but at least you'll have that peace of mind knowing that, if you drop your phone, the screen protector should theoretically shatter first before your actual display. Now, this next screen protector is for those who like to commute a lot or, you just travel a lot. If you travel as much as I do, this is a must. This is a glass privacy screen protector from ESR, the same company who made this MagSafe case that I showed off earlier in the video. And just like the Amfilm glass screen protector, it also comes with an installer and all the necessary things to help you get the perfect install. Now, if you look at your phone from the left and right side, it'll go dark, and this is perfect for those who's always commuting and want their privacy when using their phone. It's priced right about the same as a normal glass screen protector, but one thing I will say about these privacy screen protectors though, is that clarity will go down a tiny bit, so if you stare at the screen really close or long enough, you'll definitely notice some grain or haziness on your screen. So if you want the extreme clarity, you may want to opt in for that normal screen protector, but if you don't really care about that at all, this is not bad. Now, the last one on my list, this one is for all my gamers out there, and while this isn't technically new, this is the USB-C version of the PS5 controller from Backbone, and it's my top pick for the S24 Ultra. Now, since the controller connects via the USB-C port on your S24 Ultra, it doesn't need batteries, so you don't need to charge up the controller just to use it. It works right away, and you can even download the Backbone app to have all your games in one place, and it's a pretty awesome hub to launch your games in. The controller, in my opinion, is really well built. The buttons are clicky, the shoulder buttons are decent, and the analog sticks are similar to what you'd find on a Nintendo Switch. Now, there's also a USB-C pass-through for charging and a 3.5mm headphone jack if you want to plug in your headphones. That way you don't distract others around you. So if you want to take advantage of that gorgeous screen on the S24 Ultra and you want to game on the go, this is probably the best option for you. Plus, it works natively with PS Remote Play, Xbox Cloud Gaming, Steam Link, and games in the Play Store that supports controllers. And yeah, those are my favorite accessories or top picks for the S24 Ultra. If you guys have anything else to add to this list, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you for 100K, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.